Hi, this is Discount Diva. I got a Pinchme box, and I'm also gonna do an unboxing to Birchbox. So that's a subscription that I subscribe to. I'll tell you about the Pinchme. That's when you review products. You get to try samples, and you give them your information. You just fill out a profile questionnaire about yourself, and if you are within that category of what they're looking for, you get approved for samples. There's even surveys you could take to earn points, and you get better boxes that they have. They're not like these, they're a little bit better. You could do those. I've done those. I haven't got anything out of that so far, and this is what I received. Let's see. They really cram them in there sometimes, the boxes. Okay. This has to do with the Ricola Herbal Immunity, supports immune system. This is the picture they show you, and it gives you information about the herbal community. It pretty much supports natural defenses, helps you stay energized, and has ginseng, C, and B vitamins in it. And I'll show you what it looks like. I opened it yesterday, but I wanted to wait for this other box so I could do both at the same time. This is Ricola, thick gummies. You get 4 gummies. It has vitamin C, B6, and B12, plus ginseng. So it's worth a shot. I've tried their cough drops. I like them, so I'll probably most likely like them. And sometimes they give you coupons and stuff. If you can see it. They gave me 2 of the same to try a Grace Box subscription for free. I've been thinking about trying them because they seem to always read out. Plus you get emails to things. Sometimes it has something to do with you signing up to when they do, I think it's like every first Tuesday of the month they do their samples. Sample Tuesday they call it. And one time they sent me something in an email for a hair color, and I got that for free. I got that actually twice from them, so it wasn't bad. This is the deodorant called Native Deodorant. I never heard of this, so I'll give it a shot and I'll review it. And they gave me a little card here. This says, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. And it shows Native, the deodorant, with over 5,000 5-star reviews, and that's what it looks like. And that's it with that. Worth a shot. You want to try some, new things, I didn't open this. And let's see. It says Birchbox, and it has yes on it. Cute. The packaging is very good. Here's one, 2. Oh, here's another one. I thought I was going to use a scissor. Yes, I will have to use a scissor. Well, it's good that way, so nobody can cause people tamper. Wow. The other one I got was easier to open. This one. When I get paid, I pay for this subscription. My husband got me for Christmas. I want to try 6 months. I did it for 6 months to see if I like it. I didn't do the year. You can do anything as long as you want. There's certain options. You can just, you fill out a questionnaire about yourself, and they know, gives them an idea what to send you. It usually comes in a very pretty box. This is the box. I think this one has the hearts for Valentine's Day. Let's see. Ooh, it comes with a nice pretty card. And this is the card it comes with, you can see it. What does it say? Congrats on your 100th box. You're the best. That's somebody in Philadelphia. Said, we love that you're Ace, aka VIP loyalty program. We hope you found tons of perfect body matches. This is my second box, so I don't know. They sent me the wrong card, maybe. Or maybe it's just what people write on there. Thanks for joining the Birchbox family. Can't wait to be part of your journey. It's a little confusing. We're spreading the love and the congrats on you. I don't know what. Tells you what's in here and how much the prices are. That'll help me. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. Called, if I'm pronouncing Glove, the quick treat, fast makeup correction tip. Oh, that's interesting. You know what, I'm gonna open it so I can show you guys what it is. God, everything is hard to open today. Oh, I better do it careful. Oh, you could reseal it. That's interesting. I still can't open it. Wait, maybe. I hate these things sometimes. I just can't open it. I don't want to mess up the zip lock part of it. Maybe it'll open now. It doesn't want to open one out. Oh, here we go. It's small. Oh, this is interesting. It feels like, oh, you could put your finger or your thumb, I guess. Oh, I guess, yeah. Okay. Yeah, they even show you the directions in the back. If you can see it. It feels really soft. It's cute. Looks so much, you know, when they show you, they'll give you an email to show you what you're getting. They look really big. I guess they show you the actual size, but you don't get that size, only if you want to buy it. This is what I got to pick. You got to pick one of your samples. This is called, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, Coquille Leave-In Conditioner. I've been wanting to try it. I don't know if you can see it right. You can see it now. I know it's big and popular. It's expensive. I've wanted to try it for my crazy hair. Not having good hair day today. What's it called? Leave-In Conditioner. Which directions were bigger? I might have to look it up. Let's see what it smells like. I don't know what to spray it. Oh, it's actually creamy. Smells a little perfumey. Just hope that's. I think they would have put a cover on top of here. It's not a surprise. Why wouldn't they do that? Maybe it locks. Maybe that's why. No, it's not in here. Okay, this is called, if I can read it. Let me read it here. I think that'd be I don't have my glasses on. Let's see, I'm trying to find which one this was. CC cream. Sorry, just. Oh, here it goes. Super Goop. I think that's the right one. It's Daily Correct CC cream. Broad spectrum. SPF 35, light to medium. And the full size costs $34. The CC cream top seller thanks to lightweight formula that won't clog pores. Shade adjusting treatment, even out tone. And skin protects skin from the sun. It's interesting. Let's see what it smells like. Does it have a scent? Sometimes I wish they gave it a size a little bit bigger. It doesn't smell, so that's good for me because I have sensitive skin. And wow, I thought it'd be bigger. I guess it's just a try or whatever. I was so excited when I saw I could get Smashbox. This is Smashbox. Oh, it's worth it. Photo finish. Let me read the card because everything's so small because it's small little samples they give you. Smashbox Cosmetic Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And the full size goes for $36. The Cult Love Oil-Free Primer minimize appearance of pores. Free lines create silky, smooth base, long-wearing makeup. And mascara. I'm getting so much mascara lately. That is going to my friend Francine. She will get that. The glove is full size $3.99. That's not bad. It's, you know, that's affordable. The mascara is called Marcel Extension Plus Skyline Mascara. Full size $15. I guess if you want a better mascara than like drugstore type, it's a decent price. I've seen much more like It Cosmetics. That's really good. I think it's like $25 or $30. I have that. My mother got it in a gift set she got from them. It's thick mascara. I liked it when I first used it. But maybe it's better when you have that eyelash separator. You really need it with that one. But it's good mascara. Yeah. The Smashbox 36, I tell you. The Super Goop is 34. Some things are affordable and some things are pricey. But it's good to try before you spend all that money. So far, so good. They've been sending me good stuff. I'm just a little disappointed in the size. But I guess you get what you pay for, you know. Maybe I shouldn't complain. Maybe I'm being too cheap or something. But they do send you very high-end products, so I won't complain about that. You know, I like they send you at least one hair product, you know. Since I've been dying to try it, and it's really expensive. Yeah, how much was that again? I mean, $26. I mean, I don't know. I'll think about it. It's a lot of money to spend for me, personally. But if it's really good, I might splurge. Or look if they have a kit. That's what I always do. That's my trick. Get a kit. Get more for your money. Especially for the higher-end products. I love to get more subscribers. Click on the bell if you want to see more videos that I do. I do all kinds of videos. I do unboxing. I do plus size discount. I find good deals on clothes for, you know, like top of the line clothes for a cheaper price. And I do Dollar Tree hauls too. So if you have any suggestions or any stores you'd like me to go to, I will try to do it. You can just send me a message. Have a good day. Stay warm with the snow if you're in Jersey area or New York. Bye-bye.